appliance is called a Powerscope or a PS2. And if, let's say, the bottom part comes off and you're at home, we have these keys in our vestibule area that you can use to remove this in case, let's say, part of it comes off. So this part, this gold part here, it's magnetic, so it's going to kind of want to grip onto this. You know, you'll feel the pull. So with this, you just take the end of the key and put it into the little nut. Now this is the opposite. It's not righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. It's righty-loosey, lefty-tighty. So you'll just put it in there, you'll start spinning it, and spin until you can remove the whole piece, and then bring the key, any other pieces that may have come off, if a bracket came off, and the Powerscope to your next comfort visit, and we will repair everything.